Abstract texture becomes powerful when randomness is shaped with intention and control. Today, how to create abstract noise backgrounds. Open Photoshop and create a new 2048 by 2048 pixel canvas with a deep navy or charcoal background. Add a new layer, fill it with black, then go to Filter, Noise, Add Noise, and set the amount to about 75% with Gaussian and monochromatic selected. Press Ctrl-L to open levels and drag both sliders inward until bold, scattered speckles remain. Change the blend mode to overlay so the noise interacts dynamically with the base color. Duplicate the layer, rotate it slightly, and scale